How to make a website to sell things for free. Complete step-by-step tutorial. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a website to sell physical and digital products online. This is going to be a complete beginner's tutorial step by step. So let's get into it. First of all, what you can do is you can go to wix.com and you will land right here. Wix.com is a website builder that allows you to create online store, blogs, portfolio websites, and much more. With Wix, we can create our online store to sell products. We can sell physical and digital products, and it's a free website builder, so it's very easy to get started. Once you get to the website, you can click on Get Started button given. It will take you to Wix sign up. We can sign up with our Google account, Facebook, or our email address. The signing up process is really easy and there is no credit card required. After the initial sign up or sign in to Wix.com, you will land right here. So I have opened up my sites and you can see all of the websites that I have created. In order to create a store with Wix, you can click on Create New Site. When it comes to creating an online store on Wix, we have a lot of different categories and templates available. We can create a fashion and clothing store. We have jewelry and accessories, arts and crafts, home and decor, beauty and wellness, food and drinks, sports and outdoor, electronics, kids and babies, books and publisher, pets and animal, and CBD. So you can see any kind of store can be created on Wix and you can sell anything. So let's go ahead and create a store in fashion and clothing. So I'm just going to go to this section and select the template of my choice. On Wix, we have a lot of different templates available that are completely editable and customizable. Once you select a template, you're going to click on Edit. So once you select a template, it will take you to the Wix editor. This is our editor right here, and I'll show you how we create an online store and how we can sell things on Wix. So on Wix, you can see we will be able to create our own store. Of course, we have our pages, we have our site, and we will also be able to get our own domain name. So you can connect your already existing domain or you can get one with Wix. Similarly, when it comes to editing the website, we will be getting a lot of different options because with Wix editor, we have add element option that allows me to add text, image, button, decoratives, box, galleries, video and music. We have list, socials, payments, blog, store, bookings, events, and more to my website. Then we have this add section option. We have pages. So in pages and menu, you will be able to see that you will have your shop page here and then you will have your product page on your website. In order to create a new page, you're going to click on add page and you can create any new page from here. For instance, you can also add a store page to your already existing website on Wix. So you can click on store and you will be able to add a new store page like this. Once you add a store page on your website, you will also be getting your store dashboard. When it comes to the editing of the website, it's actually really easy, and I'm not going to focus on that a lot, like how to edit a simple website on Wix, because it's actually really easy. You can hover over these sections here. You can click on quick edit as well, or if you want to edit the text, let's say, you can just select the text and you will be able to edit it out. Similarly, we can change the images of the website. We will upload our images. We will upload our product images, our model images, banner images like this, and we will decorate our website. So the main thing is how to upload products on an online store and how to sell them. So for that, we're going to actually navigate to our store page. Here on our store page, you will actually get the option of manage products. You're going to click on manage product and it will open up the store dashboard for you. Keep in mind, I am getting everything with the template that I have selected. And even as a complete beginner, if you're adding a store page to your Wix website, you will get the manage option and you will get your own dashboard. So here is our dashboard. You can see we can sell physical and digital product with Etsy. Within our dashboard, we are getting home, activities, site and app. We have video library. We have store products. We can create products. We have our inventory. We can create categories, back in stock requests, find products to sell. Then we have orders where I will be getting my orders. We have gift cards, blogs, subscriptions, contacts, communication, automation, marketing and SEO, and analytics and reports. So once you get to products right here, you can see this comes with the template. I can of course customize it. Let's say this is a product here. I'm going to select the product and I will customize each and everything here. I can also create products manually or import products from any other platform that I use. So we can also go to the product section here and create new products. This is where you will edit a product. You can see we can add product images. I will edit everything. What you can do is you can actually completely delete the products that we have with the templates, and you can create yours. In order to create a new product, go to the product section here, click on new product and select physical or digital. I'm going to go with physical product. And now we're going to give our product a name. So let's say that I will be selling hoodies. So I'm going to quickly add the name for my product like this. Now we have to add images and videos here. Moving on, we have product info where I have to add the description. Similarly, we have pricing. This is where you will enter the price. You can also enter the price on sale. We have price per unit, cost of goods, profit, and margin. We can also add some custom text. We have product options where I will be able to create the variants to a product like size and color. Then we have inventory and shipping, where we will add the SKU and shipping weight. We have pre-orders and subscriptions as well. We can also actually sell subscriptions to our customers using Wix. So you enter all of these details and click on save. Your new product is created. Similarly, you can go to the category section here and create categories to different products. Let's say winter's collection, summer's collection, and much more. You can see we have a lot of different categories here. We can also work on the automation and marketing of the store. So in marketing and SEO, I have email marketing, we have Facebook and Instagram ads, we have Google ads that we can create. And in sales channel, we can add more than one sales channel to sell products. So if you are looking for a platform to sell products, then you should definitely check out Wix.com and create a website on Wix, create an online store on Wix to sell. There are a lot of other platforms out there as well that are to sell products. You can create a store on Big Cartel too. You can create a store on Etsy. But with Wix, you will also get your own domain name and you will have your own official website. And with Wix, we are getting a lot of different templates that are aesthetically pleasing and that will help you run a successful business online. So this is how you will edit out your website. You can edit out the storefront as well and work on your dashboard. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.